5 minus 5 bracket 6 minus 6 equal what? Here 5 minus 5 gives us 0, multiply this 6 minus 6 gives us 0. 0 multiply 0 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to the PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore at first we have to work with this parentheses. Here this 5 minus 5, beside parentheses any number indicate multiplication. Therefore we can write here 5 multiply this 6 minus 6. Here 6 minus 6 gives us 0. According to the order of operation, now I have to work with this multiplication, because multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. Therefore we can write here 5 minus this 5 times 0 gives us 0. 5 minus 0 gives us 5, and this is correct answer. Now your turn. If you understand our previous math problem in this video, so you can solve this math easily. Please comment the value of this math problem in comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.